Good day, Mr. Seepersad and the Honorable Minister Hosein. So, as an industrial engineer, what is industrial engineering? Industrial engineers, like other engineers, apply scientific knowledge to solve real-world problems. However, their work differs from that of other engineers because they combine business methods with science. They focus on processes, efficiency, and oversight rather than the design of a physical product. Whereas the task of structural engineers, for example, is to design bridges, buildings, and other structures, the work of industrial engineers more closely mirrors that of management. Interesting. So what is the role of an industrial engineer? Well, functions of an industrial engineer analysis system include comparing existing production methods against desirable results using mathematical, physical, and social sciences techniques. Investigation produces data on organizational use of people, money, equipment, and material. Functions of industrial engineer analysis system include providing suggestions for changes to existing procedures, testing the effectiveness of a new system, and developing production overviews and risk factors through ongoing use of proven data. So industrial engineering is very innovative. Yep. So what is the importance of industrial engineering? Industrial engineers help things get done better and faster, as well as more economically and safely. Quality improvement, ergonomics, and supply chain issues make up only a few of their concerns. Industrial engineers increase productivity by settling goals, determining the best processes, and putting incentives in place. So what are some of the problems experienced in the SIDS? Well, there are two main problems experienced in small island developing states are the susceptibility to natural disasters and the vulnerability to economic and natural shock. Some of the problems affecting the SIDS in these aspects are hurricanes, droughts, earthquakes, floods, volcanoes, and wildfires. In the research conducted on Grenada, it seems that hurricanes are the main natural disaster affecting them. These disasters create severe effects causing damage to property, injury, negative impact on social and economic development, and even loss of lives. In 2010, there was a drought which affected agriculture on the island. Due to all these natural disasters, the island's economy takes a great fall and the overall GDP and GNP drops because floods, hurricanes, kills most, if not all, of the island's agriculture. Farmers' houses, transport vehicles, and equipment may be destroyed or lost in the debris scattered. So, some of the solutions to the problems in the SIDS. When a society experiences a natural disaster, it is forced to consider a variety of responses that will both ameliorate the immediate crisis and put in place structures to enable it to prevent or better cope with future disasters. This is where the knowledge of industrial engineers come into play. They create solutions such as building codes, where the main purpose is to protect public health, safety, and general welfare as they relate to the construction and occupancy of buildings and structures. Even someone whose house is built without building codes can be instructed by an industrial engineer to reinforce roofs, shutters, and doors to create a greater safety. There is no proper way a nation can prepare for a drought, but simple procedures can be put in place to combat this problem. Such methods, developed by industrial engineers, are dams, cloud seeding, desalination, rainwater harvesting, and recycling water. Very proactive. So as an industrial engineer, the ways concluded to solve problems are limited only by your imagination. Yes? Will you accept the contract to innovate the way out of economic and natural disasters? I surely will. Thank you very much. Welcome.